Hey everybody, I'm going to just take you through how to sign up for your free standalone StatCrunch account. So when you first get to this page, do this immediately. You want to have this set up before your first test because even though we can most of the time get to StatCrunch via all of the links in MyLabs Plus, every once in a while those links break. It doesn't mean that you can't still use StatCrunch, but it just means the link between MLP and StatCrunch broke for a little bit, and there's a way that you can reset it. So the worst case scenario is the link being broken while you're taking a test. So double check this, get this set up. This is your way to fix it in the moment if something goes wrong. So we'll go to the StatCrunch.com. So this is actually StatCrunch. Again, you don't usually see this part. You usually just get right in through MLP. Go ahead and go up to this upper right corner where it says sign in or register. And what you need to do is register. So there are different categories here. You are registering as a student, and you do not have to pay for this. You've already got your access through your course fees and everything. So you just want to redeem an access code, accept their terms through Pearson. It's going to ask you if you have a Pearson account. Say no, you do not, because you do not have yet a Pearson account for StatCrunch specifically. Create a login name and a password. You can technically make these whatever you want. It might be easier if it's the same thing as your My Heartland login stuff. So maybe try that first. If for some reason that's taken, you might have to get creative, put some extra numbers on the end, or use something different. Whatever you create here, write it down somewhere and keep it with your Math 141 things, because if you go in to take a test and the link is broken between them, I want you to be able to fix it for yourself right then and there. Or when you're at home working, if something happens, I want you to be able to fix it. So create a login name and a password. Save it there, and then you're going to redeem that access code. The easiest way to do that is to switch to a single box and then go back to this page and simply copy, paste that code into there. Then when you click next, again, I'm not filling this all in, but when you click next, it will go on and finish the process. That way, if you're ever in MLP, let's say you're working on a homework assignment in here and you go to click on the open, like a lot of them say open in StatCrunch. If you go to click on that and it won't work, what you want to do then is just go back to this StatCrunch.com page, sign in using the username and password that you created. And once you get signed in here, you should be able to then click back to MyLabs Plus, try that tab again, and it should have like linked it back up at that point. So this is really, really important. I can't stress that enough. Do this right now before you start on anything else for your chapter 2. Get this set up and write down your information so that you've got it.